The research of Dr. Doreen Kimura is quite fascinating on the effect of testosterone levels on test scores in males and females. And what she found is generally that males with lower testosterone levels score higher on tests, and females with higher testosterone levels score higher on tests. And this is also dependent for males on seasonality, since males have higher testosterone levels in the fall and lower testosterone levels in the spring. They usually score better on tests in the spring due to their uh, lower testosterone levels. And for females, it's a monthly cycle where they do best when their testosterone levels are highest, um, which I assume is furthest away from when they have their monthly cycle. So I'm going to quote and read now from a New York Times article from 1991 about her research. Men have better spatial ability when tested in spring than in autumn, and the variation appears to be linked to seasonal fluctuations in male sex hormones, a scientist said today. The findings conform with earlier, little publicized research showing that men with low levels of testosterone perform better on tasks like mental rotating a three-dimensional object, which involves spatial reasoning skills that are critical in much of mathematics. Earlier research has shown that men's testosterone levels tend to be lower in the spring. The findings reported at a scientific meeting today are the first to link cognitive ability in men directly to seasonal cycles, said the researcher, Dr. Doreen Kimura, a psychologist at the University of Western Ontario. But another study reported today suggested that older men given spatial tests benefited from added testosterone, controversy over her earlier work. 4 years ago, Dr. Kimura caused a storm of controversy when she reported that the cognitive ability of women fluctuated with hormone changes in monthly menstrual cycles. She said then that women were better at spatial tasks when their estrogen levels were lowest. But she also said that women whose overall average testosterone level was higher did better on spatial reasoning than other women, no matter where they were in their monthly cycle. For both sexes, she said, the differences are subtle and would not affect daily life. But she said that after puberty, boys would do better on mathematics tests in spring than in fall. On the scholastic aptitude test, she said the difference might be up to 50 points.